First, to select a text tool, increase the font size to 700 points, set the fill color to black. Now type the S letter like this. Align it to center. Now take the pencil tool, increase the stroke size to 8 points, change the stroke color to red. Let's create the path in this way. Take the selection tool and select these two layers. Go to the object, intertwine and choose make. Your cursor is now the lasso tool. Draw around an area you want to manipulate. Let's see the final result.